Learning is no longer what it used to be. The need to improve learner engagement is becoming more apparent. With physical interaction being minimized, how does an educator continue to provide individual attention to learners? Existing online learning channels like e-learning videos and Zoom classes may be able to continue to disseminate information and knowledge to students. But how do we recreate the one-on-one personalized engagements between educator and student, and to adapt to learners' needs? Introducing Noodle Factory. As an educator, you can now drag and drop any of your content, in any format, and within seconds, your learners are able to engage with the virtual version of you. Imagine being able to automate answering FAQs, administrative tasks, like marking assessments, and even being able to provide adaptive tutoring and coaching. All with the click of a button. Spend less time worrying about creating content for different classes. And more time on creating the best learning experience for your students. Noodle Factory. Great for higher education and corporate learning.